Guys, today I'll show you super rare betta fish colors. You will find this red one here. Here is the one of the rare betta fish. Also this pink is not a normal pink. Look at this ninja red head betta fish, this one here. Also this blue Turkish and red betta fish. Also this one here, it's a super rare guppy. Look, the color is super rare guppy. Look at this super red betta fish. And also this one here, look at this Turkish color green betta fish, super rare. And subscribe to all these betta fish here. Subscribe because I want you to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe because you need to subscribe because of all these betta fish here. And also this one here, super white. Subscribe this guy here. Whoa, wait, I found the last rare betta fish for you. Look at this color. Just look at this red, white, green betta fish. I'm looking for this one to show you, and he's here. Oh man, he's not here. He's here. Oh man. Oh. Look. Oh. Wow. Super beautiful betta fish. Subscribe, guys.